everyone. Today I'm going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo, and this by Mo Williams. I'm eating real year one book, so don't blame me. My mom said that. Pigs make me sneeze. Yeah. What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball, a swim, or a hat? Are you okay? I don't know. I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! Oh no! Sorry, guys. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry, but pigs do make but if pigs do make me sneeze, I cannot be near you. Huh? Then we cannot be friends. We must be apart forever. But Gerald, no. Do not speak. It's too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Huh? Are you okay, Gerald? I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. Meow. And Piggie is a pig. Huh? Piggie is also my best friend. Meow. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Da. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Meowies. Oh, thank you, Doctor. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Wah. This is a story of Elephant and Piggie book. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. Illustrated by nobody. Mo Williams. Thanks for watching. Bye.